My name is Joachim and I'm from Arvato Systems Malaysia. Any interns out there who are passionate in these fields? Are you looking to grow, to learn, and to be the best version of yourself while having fun at work? Think no further. Come and be part of Arvato. Being an Arvatorian, we treat everyone here like a family. You'll be nurtured, you'll be challenged to ensure that you can reach to your fullest potential. Hey Ed, what are you working on?
Oh, hi Joe. I think I am stuck with these steps, so perhaps you can help me with this.
Alright, sure. Let me have a look, please. All of our new employees will be assigned with an experienced working buddy in our buddy system, where this person will be assisting you throughout the entire journey. Much like a family, we strongly believe in teamwork makes the dream work. We organize regular brown bag sessions or knowledge sharing sessions where we get subject matter experts from different topics to come in and share their knowledge with us. So let's check out what we have. Thank you, Korisha, for the session. It has truly been an insightful one. One aspect that is ingrained in our DNA is the coaching culture. There's always a potential in all of us to be the next leader. Through our regular coaching session, you'll be empowered to be the next digital leader. Keep up the good work, Siva. So, do you like what you have seen so far? If you do, tell us about it. We look forward in welcoming you to Arvato's internship program.